Before you can bring your QuickBase data into Excel, you're going to need to install Qnect ODBC for QuickBase. This is an ODBC driver that's available for Windows, the Mac, and Linux, but we're talking about Windows here. So you're going to want to download right here from this button and install Qnect ODBC for QuickBase. Once you've completed the installation, you're going to want to click on this link and watch this Getting Started video. Then come back to this video and you'll see how you can use Microsoft Excel to create a pivot table of your QuickBase data. Let's create a pivot table off of some QuickBase data. First, click on Data, from Other Sources, from the Data Connection Wizard, ODBC DSN, Next, QuickBase via Qnect 32-bit, Next. We'll choose the Projects table, Next, Finish. Now we get to choose between a table, pivot table, or pivot chart and pivot table report. We'll just do a pivot table. We can put it into an existing worksheet at the top left corner. Click OK. And here we are in our pivot table. Let's look at estimated cost as a value. We'll summarize the priority. We have our project costs summarized by priority. If we go and add new projects to our QuickBase table, all we have to do is click refresh and this data will update.